Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get hands of Time Zizzy. To begin, you need to access the correct game mode. This character is unlocked by completing a series of challenges within the game's special event. Make sure your game is fully updated to ensure you have access to all the necessary content and features. Following these initial steps will set you on the right path to acquiring Zizzy. Once you're in the game, navigate to the main lobby and find the glowing portal that signifies the special event. Enter this portal to begin the quest. You'll need to successfully complete all 3 unique stages of the event's narrative, each presenting its own set of challenges. After conquering these stages, return to the event area and claim your Hands of Time Zizzy from the designated reward pedestal. It's a straightforward process if you follow these steps. To maximize your chances, consider teaming up with 1 or 2 friends. Cooperation can significantly ease the difficulty of certain stages. It's also beneficial to practice your in-game movement and puzzle-solving abilities beforehand, as these skills are crucial for success. Don't hesitate to watch some community gameplay videos if you encounter a particularly tricky section. These tips will help you navigate the event more efficiently and secure Zizzy faster. A common mistake is attempting the event with an unstable internet connection, which can lead to frustrating disconnections and lost progress. Also, resist the urge to rush through the puzzles. Taking your time to think them through carefully will save you from repeated restarts. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. By avoiding these pitfalls, you'll have a much smoother experience and get Zizzy in no time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.